Hi there, I'm Paulina from Cuts and Nice Video. Welcome to day 9 of my 30-day design challenge. 9 days, that's a lot, and I can tell you it's much tougher than it seems. If I knew, I'm not sure I would have started this challenge. But at the same time, I'm so glad because these ideas, they were just sitting in my folders, in my notebooks, and year after year, I couldn't find the time to actually make them. Now I'm kind of forced by the challenge and I need to work on them. For today, I'm planning to make a special ornament for the little girls. I have in mind a small pink handheld mirror with some golden details around and real mirror acrylic in the middle. I think it will be gorgeous. Let's make it.